Why you have to go and leave me, baby? I always been your baby. Don't make a girl go crazy. I can't understand why you let me. What about me? What about you? What about us? What we gon' do? I don't know what to say. What about me? What about you? What about us? What we gon' do?
Welcome back to my channel. If you're not new here, hi and welcome. Consider liking, commenting, and subscribing. If you subscribe, hit the notification bell so that you're notified every time I upload a new video. So you guys, let's get into it. You just saw me install this wig, and yes, y'all read the title correctly. This is a $30 Amazon wig, y'all. $30 Amazon wig. I almost told this company no. But after, you know, them sending me some more information and us working some things out, here I am, and I am so glad that I took the time. Y'all, this is a really nice unit for us. This is for us, okay? Come on, y'all. We are talking 30 bucks. Girl, 2 for 60, okay? But it is so worth your time. This is so worth your money. This is worth the time, y'all. This is really, really nice. Like, since when is synthetic? Like, since when? And it took to heat really, really good, and it does not have that synthetic shine that synthetic-y type hair be having. Like, I'm just kind of like, I'm like shook with this. And it already comes in a bust down type of way too. Like, you cannot go wrong with the middle part, straight black hair. You can't never go wrong with that. That's always gonna clean you up and polish you up ASAP. So I'm here for this. This is like, it's like almost like you like just blew dry your hair. Like, you've been like on a hair growth journey and you were successful with it, and you just got the thickness and the length, you know, there. Like, this is really, 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 really nice quality, y'all. It's nothing else that I can really say about it except for, like, go in the description box, click those links, and buy it. But y'all need to go get this. Amazon. This is from I'm gonna put the name on the screen. I didn't even do that. This video is currently sponsored by, and I definitely want to thank them for sending this over, because this definitely would have got overlooked, and this is definitely something every female needs to have. Like, you just need that go-to real quick. You in between appointments and you need that go-to, or you about to step out and you couldn't get your hair done and you need that go-to, or you just need a go-to. She needs to be your go-to, because for one, she's not breaking the bank at all, because what is $30? $30 is absolutely nothing. That's no money. Girl, it's a go. It's a go. Aminow. But thank you so much for sponsoring today's video, and I want to thank you guys so much for watching, and I'm gonna catch you guys in my next one. Bye.